Today I'm gonna unbox my fucking computer case. So let's fucking open this shit. Okay. Oh, it's quite light actually. I thought it's quite heavy.
No.
Yep, I know really.
Professional Honda cameraman walking around.
Getting
Getting 360 degrees.
No, it's because he's walking in front of the from the view. That's why I'm walking around.
Okay.
Alright. Now. Oh, look at this white case, by the way.
Look at that eager face to open his
Yeah.
case. Mate, this thing is a bit.
We have to pull it out together.
And grab that. Okay. Look at this white boy. I bought a white boy.
Yeah, it's like me, white and blue.
Ooh, I've got black and black.
You're the only black boy there.
Shut up, you blackie.
Only black one. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually that's small.
Yeah. So it
I
comes
thought it was
with
bigger. It's about the size of mine.
so it comes with menu.
Move! Just put your ass in front of the
So it comes
case.
with
No, it's just
menu,
an toy.
warranty against the effects. Fuck this shit. Because
Didn't you? Oh yeah. Okay.
Look at it, so white, just like my case.
look up. White people. White privilege.
Lol. A tempered glass.
Can move the box out of the way.
Yeah, boys, have a glass, you know what I mean?
Yeah, boy.
Careful, careful, careful.
You.
You don't want to break. What are you doing?
Why are you turning it this way?
It's
Okay, let me show the tempered glass.
So it's upside down at the moment.
Do you have a screwdriver for this?
No, you
Oh,
just.
don't.
Evan, do the
No,
honors.
don't do it
the
now.
honors.
Don't do it now.
No, don't do it
because
now.
after you finish.
Yeah, after you finish the build, then you do it.
Yeah, I know more than you, fucking bitch.
Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you.
Just watch any of the great
Here's the
PC builders. They always do it at the last, and they always
Oh, this
take that
guy,
face like. Okay.
Okay.
Put it on the desk.
Hex key tin.
Actually, you know what? Put something. Put this blanket.
So it's here, actually.
Yeah, put it here.
And then.
Okay.
Look at this
Should
boy.
we
Look at
take
the
off
grill.
the tempered glass thing?
This
It's
is
magnetic, by the way.
yeah. This is the dust absorber.
Okay.
I've got soundproofing panels here.
Okay. You need a hexagon.
A hex key.
Yeah.
Does this thing open?
Yeah, it comes. Supposed to open. Isn't it? I don't know how to open this stuff.
You
Yeah.
can. Yo, how much space is that taking up?
I don't know.
It's from-
Ah,
been-
it's fine. It's 1080, 60 FPS. It's not that much.
It's 3 minutes
Comes
already.
through from behind.
R.I.P. our hot chocolate, Evan.
Yeah, I know.
Hot chocolate in this weather.
Because we couldn't make coffee because they have no milk.
Wait. Do you have to unscrew it? Okay, yeah, I do.
Why is it using a hex key though? That's
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
know. This is the only bad thing about this
Because
case.
I've got thumb screws.
Oh, look.
Yeah, this.
Oh, you have the cable management thing.
Yeah,
Oh, shit.
and this
Here's
is
the
and
extra
these are
stuff.
the SSD
Here are
mounts.
the
Yeah.
stuff. Here are the extra stuff here.
Yeah, that's where you put your hard drive.
Yeah, the hard drive bays in there.
How do you
So it's almost the same as mine actually, it's just white.
Yeah, in a
Okay,
different
I need
company.
to turn this on its side if I'm gonna take off the tempered glass panel.
No, you can take it off.
No, you can't because the hex key won't turn. It's a pain. Because I have to do it like that.
Start from here. Then unscrew there.
Maybe if I do it like that. Oh no, that'll
Why is this thing stuck inside here? What the fuck?
Yeah, one lucky thing, the case looks bigger on the video than it does in real life.
Yeah. Yeah, it's actually quite small.
And your head
It might
looks.
even be smaller than
Look how
mine.
big your head looks.
Well,
Evan, look at me.
fuck
Your
you,
head
yeah.
looks huge.
I'll take this shit out.
This thing.
Okay, someone needs to hold this for me, please, so it doesn't fall.
Don't fucking break this shit right now.
Okay, if it breaks, at least I have it on video.
Hey, fuck you guys. Fine, then you do this, Evan. You do that. I'll just hold it so it won't fall.
Where do you turn?
By the way, if it breaks, I have it
turn
on video.
Turn it counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
From the left. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Now it's gonna take 10 years.
Holy fuck, my life.
Okay, let me go pick
I
that
already
up.
broke something.
That wasn't me though, that was you.
Fuck. Is it scratched?
I got a fucking heart. I'm like, is the tempered glass gone? What the fuck have we
Okay.
done?
Don't put it on the couch with pillows on it. Put it on a stable table.
A stable table.
There you go. You see? Now it won't fall.
Evan, do you have it? Yeah, boy.
Now put it on the table, look.
Why are you scratching a fucking glass table, nigga?
He doesn't even know how to put it down.
I'm putting it as light as I can so I don't fucking break it, okay? Okay, now, let's see what we got here. 2 CPU fans, one bottom, 2 on the side with the plastic things, and a CPU fan.
No, this
Who's
is.
putting in the parts?
What?
Homer should probably do it because he's gonna.
Hey, let's just
Yeah.
finish the chocolate first.
Okay, let me pause this.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, come. Sorry, I'm recording already.
Okay, so I'm gonna, you can unbox the motherboard, I will unbox the
Alright, let's do the motherboard first.
Okay, unbox this shit.
Alright.
Dibs on the GPU
Seven
there.
motherboard.
Fuck up! I'm recording, you asshole. Start recording
I
shit.
think they're gonna have a raise or something. Oh fuck, he's drunk, I think.
Yeah, he's got a bottle in his hand.
Yeah.
It's gonna be interesting.
Nah, he's gonna drop in a crash or some shit. Don't care about him.
Just wait.
Yeah, fucking crash it.
Oh fuck.
Go back.
Is that an no, it's a Bentley. Fuck. Don't press the
Holy
Bentley.
shit, is
Please
that
don't
What
press
the
the
fuck
Bentley.
is going
It's some
on?
rich people
Don't
racing
press
each other. I think.
Nah. The guy's car, the blue car, is an M3, I think, or
Yeah.
M2.
The Mercedes is a.
What does he have
C-Class.
in his hand that he's holding up?
It's a phone.
It's a phone.
He's recording himself.
He's being extra.
Oh shit! Look at that Bentley. Holy shit!
Yep, they're racing. The fuck?
Oh my god! You know what? Let's stop.
This is the Z370
Tomahawk MSI.
from MSI.
Okay, let's fucking bring the IO shield.
This is the motherboard
IO
itself.
shield.
Let's put it on the side for now.
SATA cables, IO shield, and
The drivers.
What the fuck is this? I don't know.
Those are the.
The
I think those are the
letter.
power cables.
Thank you letter from MSI for choosing this product.
Ooh.
Then we have the
Fuck, my
installation
fingers are in
guide.
the way.
This is for the CPU cooler.
Yo, this thing is thick.
How the thick.
No, this is. I think this is just for the CPU cooler. It doesn't have anything. No, actually it does. This is very important to connect the case to the motherboard.
Let me get a Caesar.
Oh yeah, so the lighting works.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, then we have this. It's a thick MSI motherboard book. I just told you, gives you information about the BIOS.
Yeah.
Tells you where.
Let's quickly click the.
connectors.
Should we click this thing into place first?
Replace this lithium battery.
Yeah.
Okay, do you got me? Okay, so
Okay.
now I'm gonna seal this factory seal the thing and then. Okay, now what we in here? There's no fan in here because it's unlocked.
Lol, same with mine.
Oh, nice. Let's. Do you
Hey.
wanna put that shit on the cassette?
Is that a sticker?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's put it on the case.
Oh, it's just one thing here. How the
Just pop it out.
let's pop it out.
Yeah, it's in plastic, don't worry about it.
Just try not to push too hard. Yeah, there you go.
And then here's the baby. Should I?
Let Homer do that.
Yeah, you can.
Because he's got the anti-static band. Damn man, so much power in such a small thing. Pretty crazy.
Yeah, hold by the side and then.
Yeah, boy.
You remember? Okay, let me
Okay,
make
So
Yeah.
pull that up. You have to pull the metal thing out.
careful. Pull it out. Yes, there you go. Okay, now open it. Take this plastic thing off where it says remove.
No, it will pop it open later. Okay, triangle
Okay.
thing. Where's it?
It should say.
Triangle thing.
Where's the triangle thing? Okay, the triangle thing on the CPU is here, and the circle is on this side. So let me see how to put this in.
Here's the circle.
Okay, here's the circle, and where's the triangle thing?
I don't see it. Maybe it's just a circle. Cause you.
Actually, no. Should I put it this way then?
Maybe.
Should I put the circle there? No, that doesn't
No.
fit. It's
Other
like
way.
this.
So maybe the triangle is meant
Yeah,
to
like
face
this.
the circle.
Let's put it. Yep.
Yeah, it fits.
And then let me just kind of.
Okay, is it okay? It's steady, steady. Yeah, you see, because look, it's also these
Yeah.
ones fit perfectly.
Yeah,
Okay, now.
just close that
Oh, I'm
up.
scared now.
No, but that's no, it's fine.
You don't have. Oof, those creaking. Just be careful, it's sliding a lot because Evan's table is glass.
Okay. No, that's fine.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, installed.
Okay, well now we need thermal paste.
Just stab me.
Okay, so
Let's go.
this is the Hyper 212X Cooler Master. I'm just gonna unbox it for the thermal paste. So here we go. Let's unbox this shit. Oh, I feel a lot of screws in there. Here we go. So this is the fan. Oh, it even came with the salt thingy.
Salt in what?
Just the bag for moisture and stuff. Okay, so here are the rubber standings and thermal pieces here. So you can take that. And then
I just want the bracket to
these
put
are
behind
the
the
brackets. Okay. All these thermal pads even included. Yeah. Yeah, it's a thermal pad. Okay. That's
we installed these screws in and that hold this bracket underneath.
yeah.
Hold this bracket underneath.
Yeah, and install that.
And that is the bracket for the to hold the CPU.
Okay, now we're gonna unbox the RAM, the 16 gigs RAM, and then we're gonna fucking put it in.
the sharp ass knife. How to fucking cut your fingers. Oof, you put it up near your
Is
body.
it-
How to stab
How
yourself.
many is it? Is it? Oh, it's only 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 2 8 gig sticks.
Nah, I'm not as rich as you, nigga.
Lol 32.
Okay. Now look, the RAM stick, yeah,
Yeah.
pretty usual stuff, and then you just.
Okay. Wow. Wow. Well done. Professional. Professional.
Who cares? I don't give a fuck.
Look how you did.
Okay.
See,
Yeah, let me come
It's
around.
called experience.
Fuck you. I don't have experience, actually.
Come on, Sonny.
Sunny bar.
Wait. Wait, don't put it in yet. Just wait.
I just have to align it. So.
Them shake. Them handshake.
Then push hard.
Is it aligned? Okay.
So, do you want me to do it?
Oh shit, I can feel it.
Yeah, the
You
tension.
need to. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, just wait. Hold this.
Okay. Oh. There we go. And now the second one. Cool.
Okay, cool.
At the moment, here's the CPU cooling thingamajig. I forgot what it's called.
Is it screwing in at
And
all?
we
No,
must-
it's not.
We need to attach this bracket because this metal
That's fine,
bracket
just leave it.
thing
Leave it. Let me see
here
the instruction. What is the
needs to
instructions?
go
The instructions
onto
say
these little
goes out.
little things over there.
Okay, pause.
At the moment, we're just cleaning the CPU for fingerprints and shit.
Does it look clean?
Yeah. Okay.
Very clean.
Look at it from
Okay.
all angles.
Now, let me apply this.
Okay, you can do the honors.
Okay, how much?
Very little. Just one dot in the middle.
Should we do the
No, do the one.
Do
dot
the
in
line. Okay, never mind.
Do the dot in the middle. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, boy.
Because then this CPU cooler, so it shakes a bit around when we're trying to install it. So
I feel like thermal paste, babe.
okay, now
Oh,
keep it.
wow.
These things are actually expensive, so keep it. You might need it.
I think that this is recording in 60 FPS now, where it
Yeah.
wasn't before.
Okay, do you want to do the honors for this as well?
Yeah, boy.
Make sure you put it on straight. No, not like that. The other way.
The other way, yeah.
Like this, yeah.
Yeah. Just move your hand, please, so I can record this. Thank you.
Oh. Should I do this?
Yeah,
Just leave it.
just a bit. Okay, that should be fine.
Okay, it feels so smooth.
Yeah,
Okay,
boys.
now.
Okay, now we need to stop recording because, oh man, I have to do this shit. So at the moment, we're having a bit of trouble with this cooler basically this bracket that it's connected to is not sitting properly, and we're not really sure why. And Evan's dropping shit. Alright, let's go.
Right, while Evan is trying to fix the CPU cooler, let's unbox the power supply so we can save some time.
No, I can't get it in. The spring is going into the way.
I don't know what to do then. We're gonna have to go and look at the Indian guy on YouTube again. Yeah, boy.
Like this. L class gold certificate. It's 550 watts.
Oh, yo, this shit's big. It's bigger than mine.
Yeah, this is as big as mine.
Yeah.
This is actually nice packaging.
Yeah. Keeps it safe. Alright, let's go install it.
So we come here to the case. You stand that side.
Yeah, okay.
So this case,
It goes in
install
here.
it like this or like this because this has both elements.
Probably do it up here so that it goes into the main thing and the air goes on. That's the way I do it. Alright.
All the cables in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just be careful you squeezing the SSD things.
Okay. Okay, so now let's align the holes. 1, 2, 3.
Oops, I shouldn't be rotating the phone upside down. Okay, we're busy putting in the IO shield. So that's going, I suppose. Evan is still busy with this. It's been like 15 minutes of us just trying to fucking...
shield is in.
Okay, Homer says the IO shield is in.
No,
It's just
I need
been
help here
50
again.
minutes of the CPU cooler bullshit. Not fucking working. Fuck our lives. After like 20 minutes of doing this shit, we seem to have
See,
finally...
it's straight now.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Is it shaking? Just try.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, no movement. Okay, we finally flippin' got the CPU cooler going, which is lovely.
And the fucking thermal paste is everywhere now.
Yeah, thermal paste everywhere.
Just
Fuck
get,
our
get
lives.
like a toilet paper and something in between.
Try not to... Don't get it on your hands.
Okay, once he's done with the screen button.
Alright. So now Homer and I are just busy with the power supply. Here we go. SSD tin and hard drive tin. So, yeah, fuck. Come on, there we go.
Yo, you can't unbox for shit.
Can't unbox for shit. And we can't install a CPU cooler for shit. Fuck. Alright, here we go. Here's the warranty and shit.
And here's the M.2 bad boy.
How the fucking tiny as fuck, but it's got
Over packaging, 10 out of 10.
over packaging. Like, look at the box. Fuck. Wow.
Yo.
Where's the
Alright.
hard drive? Let's unbox the hard
Install
drive.
install
Yeah.
this into the motherboard.
Okay. So now
Take
here.
those two, right?
Yeah, it's M.2.
So install into the.
Yeah, I'll do it now. So here we go. Here's the baby, the hard drive. Ah shit, where's... Okay, stop recording, because I need to... At the moment, we're putting in this freaking
M.2. You're putting it upside down,
upside
nigga.
down. What a fucking pro I
Yeah,
am.
you just pull it up and then you just shove it in.
Shove it in. Fuck. Go in, bitch. There. What the fuck?
And then
is
you push
sticking
it down. Yeah, you push it down
Push
and then you
it
screw
down.
it in.
And then look at this tiny ass screw.
Yeah.
Freaking...
And then you just...
Like, what is the diameter of the
Should I
screw?
review?
Oh my god.
Why are you so dumb?
Homer,
What?
do you have the magnetic screwdriver? Because I can't put this in.
No, it's here.
Oh. Please give it to me.
Yeah, but some fucking bitch ass nigga.
Okay. There we go. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, M.2 kind of installed. Kind of not. Okay, it's in slightly. Now to use the normal. Yeah, boy. M.2 installation. Easy life. There we go. SSD installed. GG. Just need to put the motherboard inside the case.
Barely fits.
Oof. Okay, Homer, you
Bring
need
it
to
more
help
on the
me.
side.
I can't see.
Wait. I'm holding this side, you hold that side.
Okay. Oh, shit.
It's fine, don't worry about this side. Don't worry about this side. You can let go this side.
Okay. The problem is lining it up. Okay, Homer, you need to push it. Okay, there we go, there we go. It's aligned with that one. So,
Wait.
there, it's aligned here.
The
so-
one in the middle is the go. This one is the going. Fuck.
Okay,
The fuck? Wait, don't screw anything. Don't screw anything.
yeah, I haven't screwed anything in.
Let's make sure that.
Let's remove that screw.
I'm pretty sure the CPU fan.
There we go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, now it's in.
Okay. Okay, let's start with the corners.
Okay, give me.
Here you go.
Give me a screwdriver and a screw ribbon.
Here you go. Here's the
Doing top right corner. You
going.
do bottom left.
Alright. I did that one in that corner already.
Screw them in a little bit so that the
Yeah.
screws don't fall off.
But not too much so that it's tight yet. Oh, is yours just not magnetic?
No, it is magnetic. That's the problem with it. It keeps taking the screw out.
Oh. Okay. Sorry.
Find screw. There's some in there. Find those. Screw those in there. Somewhere. Ah. This magnet's too strong.
Lol.
Come on, you little Jumanji.
Jumanji. Okay, I'll get that one then in the meantime.
Let me get the one.
Ah, fuck. Fucking magnetism.
This is actually not that hard.
Yeah, this is actually quite easy. I thought it would be worse.
But it's one of the crucial moments.
Yeah,
of
when you're
life.
alone, it's worse because then you don't have that many hands.
Yeah.
Imagine if you tried to do it
Yeah, you'd have to screw in so many things.
because I did it by myself and it was hard as fuck to do.
Actually, now that I think about it, this step didn't take my dad and I long, but I suppose that's because there was two of us. Alright. Everything in?
Yeah.
Let's okay.
Let's check.
I'm
Just
gonna
check.
start tightening them.
Yeah.
Wait. Just check if everything you check if everything is in.
Okay. I will stop recording then.
Yeah. So, time to unbox the GPU.
Oh, I thought you fucking broke it.
Yo,
The sound.
broke it.
Yo.
Jesus
Fuck.
Christ.
Rest in peace, Cash.
Okay, come on.
Just dump the box upside down.
And the GPU is the most
Wow.
Slide it out.
This thing is like, nah, bitch, I'm not coming down. Yo, what the fuck?
Just slide it out. No, you're breaking the box, nigga.
It's not sliding, my nigga. Okay, now.
See?
Nigga.
Nigga, this
Nigga,
thing.
nigga.
Fuck this magnet of this thing is too strong. Look how.
Alright, let's see the bad boy.
Where's your magnet?
Baby.
Yeah, boy. Look at this
What a
bad boy.
boy.
Oof.
Oof. Look at this fancy ass packaging. Damn, it's actually quite small.
Yeah.
Smaller than I thought.
The backplate looks amazing though.
Alright.
Okay, there's the Molex to PCIe. No one uses this shit anymore.
Lol.
Who the fuck used that? To be honest. Look at the
Yeah,
backplate. Look at the
baby.
backplate, baby. Yeah, boy.
Alright.
Alright, now.
Now.
Fucking put it back in, nigga.
Yeah, I know. Why am I take it out?
Ah,
Homer's
shit.
not even ready. What? Did it break?
No.
Oh lol.
Fucking screw going.
I got worried. I was like, shit. Need-
Take it out.
You must do it because you've grounded. I'm not.
Alright, do the honor, Homer, of PC Master Race becoming true.
Lol.
The legendary-
Game grammar.
Fuck you.
Lol.
Fucking grammar lad.
I'm a
Nazi.
fucking fight boy.
Alright, shove it in and.
It's gonna explode. Tell me the metal pins are through there.
Yeah.
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 Yes, it is. Kind of. What the fuck is this?
Are you sure they're meant to be on the outside? They
Yeah.
aren't, are they?
Look at the black ones.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's supposed to be on the outside. So you just kind of.
Bend them slightly.
Yeah.
And then fingerprint stamps.
Can clean it later. Don't worry about
Yeah, lol.
You push it
Yeah.
in.
it.
And
Yeah, I made him try.
Yeah. No, you're just supposed to slide it in.
Let me try it with them things in.
Yeah.
It sounds so
Holy shit.
What are you
I was
doing?
like, Mark.
Can you look under there? Your case is so small, I can't even see there. Can you look there if it's in or what's going on?
No, I can't.
No, it's not in.
Okay,
it,
wait.
it makes a sound when it clicks in. So
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
That's in.
I'm pretty sure it's meant to be on the inside because mine's on the inside. I never have them.
holy shit, the sound is scary.
Alright, so now it is time for the last step. Oof. Yes. Look at that. Damn them static.
What the fuck?
Well done.
Okay.
And now the computer is finished. Look, it's your face.
Wait, just
It's normal, relax.
yeah, boy.
His phone can drive the headphones better than his computer can.
Mm-hmm. Is Warframe done downloading? Lol.
Console peasants and PC master.
Oh, and I can hold it with my right hand. So. Is it done downloading Warframe?
No, it's done copying those things from the hardware.
Ah.
Holy shit, this speaker is the.
I was gonna bring the amp,
Yeah.
but then my mom told me I must order an Uber, so I'm like, okay, can't bring an amp in the Uber.
Whoa.
Plus, you don't have any space here to put it on.
Oh my god.
No, Gaben. If that stuff's done copying